our first video. Today we are doing a mukbang, but not any mukbang. It's a seafood mukbang.
And Buffalo Wild Wings.
Mukbang.
Gotta have the wings.
It's featuring BWW's seafood sauce. Also doing a Q&A. We asked you all to ask us some questions. So we're gonna answer questions and eat.
And look at me, y'all. While y'all here, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Like, but y'all go ahead and subscribe to our channel, man.
First question. How did we meet? Well, we actually kind of been with each other, right?
Yeah.
We kind of like grew up like around the same place. So it was just like we knew of each other. We really didn't talk to like high school. So
She wanted me in her store.
that's a lie.
wanted me.
He wanted me. You wanted me way before I wanted him. I didn't give him like the time of day, but you know.
Good.
I did. But it turned out to be something good. So question number 2.
Right. Good.
I know, right? Question number 2. What made y'all start a YouTube? You can answer it.
Well, we been wanting to do a
Boy, that
YouTube
sounds
channel,
good.
but like, we procrastinating on when we gonna do it and
Yeah.
why we want to. You know what I'm saying? Like just stuff everyday normal people think about. So
We gotta put it off.
Yeah. So one day we just thought about listen, we finna go ahead and do it. Stop wasting our time. Just go ahead and do it. Something you like, might as well go ahead and do it and try it out. I only
Alright.
got one life to live.
So that's how we started doing YouTube. So here we are now. Question number 2. When was y'all first date? Our first date was with my mama. My mom was like, "He wanna go on a date with you? He gonna go on a date with me." So we like went shopping and stuff and went out to eat. My mama crazy, y'all. So it was fun though. We
Thanks.
enjoyed it. How old was y'all when y'all met? Like I said, we kind of knew each other.
16 or 17. Well, we really
When
knew
we
each other,
started
like,
talking.
we met like
Yeah.
we met. I mean, like I started talking to her.
We knew each other. We knew each other in elementary school though, but we didn't talk to each other. I knew of him. We was in 2 different grades, so you know, I knew of him, but we didn't really talk to like high school. What's y'all favorite thing to do? Movies, eat,
Chill.
go see puppies. I love puppies, y'all. So I like to go see them.
She like dog, man.
What's y'all most embarrassing moment? I'll let you go first.
Most embarrassing moment has to be.
Ooh, I know.
I don't remember no most embarrassing moment.
My most embarrassing moment is when I was getting off the bus. Oh my god, at school. And
When you was in school.
yeah, when I was at school. And I missed a whole step. And I just fell. It was over with. I was so
It's
ashamed.
the whole step.
I missed the whole step. I was so ashamed. Cause it's like, you know, when you be walking, me, I'm the type of person, I can't walk downstairs and I look at the stairs. So I was trying to talk. And then when I was talking, I missed a step. And all I knew, I was on the ground. I jumped up fast though, cause I was like, anybody finna take a picture of me.
Well, y'all see why she wearing glasses, so.
That is not the reason why.
Yes, it is.
So you don't think you have an embarrassing moment?
I mean, I don't know. I don't think that's something to think about, man. I try not to. I don't know. I probably do.
I guess.
Well,
that was my
if I did, I don't know.
Who gets mad first?
Her. Her.
Okay,
And her.
if you get mad, don't you think it's a reason why you get mad? Don't nobody just get mad for no reason. So
Yeah.
you gotta think about, what am I doing to make this person mad with me? So yeah. How long y'all been together? We've been together like 4 years. Yeah, 4 years.
long years.
Don't do me.
What?
It's been the best 4 years of your life though.
Don't say it like that now.
The best 4 years
Yeah,
of
that's
your
my
life.
baby though. I love her. I love her.
Okay. Question. How long y'all been together? I just answered that. How old are y'all? 21.
21. Be 22 in June.
I be 22 this year,
June.
You know.
Council, baby.
Do y'all got kids?
Excuse you?
Go ahead.
Comment below if y'all some councils, man. You know what I'm saying? Council all day.
Scorpio. Do y'all got kids? No.
Not
We
yet.
still young.
Not yet.
We trying to enjoy. Who go to sleep? Somebody said who go to sleep first.
Somebody.
I think it all depends, actually. Like if you being worked hard, you might go to sleep before me.
If y'all want to know the real answer, she go to sleep first.
Not going.
She go to sleep first. Just go ahead and tell the people how it is.
I say it depends, so I ain't gonna lie. I go to sleep first a lot. I'm an early bird.
Why you early bird? Explain to them why you early bird.
Because, I don't know. I just like to get my 8 hours. I don't know about anybody else. Yeah, I got crab legs, shrimp, potatoes, corn, sausage. And what else I got? Oh, that's it.
I just cannot eat no seafood.
You're good.
I do not like seafood. I mean, why? Like, why?
I mean, okay, everybody have their own preference. Like, you like pork chop. I don't like pork chop.
She's weird.
That's you.
Eat bacon, but she don't like pork chop.
I rarely eat bacon, so don't think
But
I
you
just
eat
eat
though.
bacon. Rarely. Moving on. Who's the best cook?
Well,
Wait.
Self.
What?
A.
That shouldn't be a question. Like,
You know something?
he was like, he underwater, and his name was Arthur. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, to my Aquaman.
Yeah, Aquaman.
Yeah.
His name was Arthur.
A lot
Ever since
of
he
great
married him.
actors named Arthur. Y'all just look that up.
He's a fictional character
But
first.
look though, everybody like it.
He's fictional.
Everybody like it.
He's fictional.
Everybody like it though. Everybody like it.
Okay.
What the next question?
Question number whatever. Let's see. When was y'all first kiss? Y'all, let me tell y'all.
Man.
I wouldn't even call that a first kiss because he didn't kiss me back.
Cause I ain't know. You just did.
I was
Out of
scared.
nowhere. Out of nowhere.
I was scared to kiss him. But I was like, I kissed him like real fast. And so he was like, I was so ashamed.
How somebody supposed to kiss you back? How somebody supposed to kiss you back and you don't even know? You know what I'm saying? You'll know a sign somebody started leaning in. Or
I mean, I was
but she
thinking
didn't even lean in. She just did it real fast. How did she blank? She been putting it on me ever since that day.
You didn't kiss me back. That hurt my feelings or whatever. But
Well, I kiss you now.
even with seafood.
I hate seafood, y'all.
But you love me. So you'll get over it. Next question. When was y'all... Who said I love you first? I honestly don't know. Because like I said...
I ain't gonna point no elbow, but...
No. Because we was friends first, like I told y'all. So it was like... I think we said I love you before we was even like together. I think we just said it like because we was like really good friends. Like we stay on the phone all night, just talk. Like as friends, like before we even thought about dating each other. So it was like we already had said it. So I don't even remember.
Well, you know you as fly as me. You already see into the future. You know, look at the past.
He invested time, so.
What?
Mm-hmm. You invested time with me. Damn, why when you started? Next question. What is a pet peeve? I think a pet peeve. What is something? I don't know. I think it had to be he has a habit of leaving towels on the sink. That's a pet peeve. I don't like towels on the sink.
Weird.
It's just like, why is they there? Like
weird.
You could just
bathroom. That's where they're supposed to go.
But they don't supposed to just sit on the sink. So, what's your pet peeve?
I don't know if pet peeve or not, but she talks extremely too much. She talks extremely too much sometimes. Sometimes I wish I could just take my ear off and just Let's throw it. She talked just that much out.
Okay, next question. What made y'all like each other? Like I said, he been winning me, so.
Cap. Cap.
So you gonna honestly say that you ain't want me before I wanted you?
I mean, I like
You
it.
had he had his eye on me. I ain't gonna say he
you.
just like.
I liked it, you.
Yeah. But the feelings weren't mutual yet.
I won't worry about it.
I liked him like as a friend. But it's like as we start to like really get closer and closer, I was like, you know, he kind of different. Like I like him. I like him. So yeah, that's how we ended up liking each other. What is y'all favorite movie? Fast and the Furious. I don't know, cause now I've been into like Avengers, like all Avengers, like all of them.
That movie hot.
Like even in separate movies, I've been into it. So
my favorite movie gotta be Friday, man. You can't get enough Friday, man. That's an old classic movie, man. Can't get enough of that.
I mean, it's good now, but I wouldn't say it's one of my favorites.
One of my favorites.
It's alright. Let's see. What's your favorite food?
I'm eating it now. Wings.
It's between seafood and Chinese food. Your girl loves some Chinese food, like
yeah. She got all this food over, man. Look at all this food, man. A whole bowl full, man.
I don't see how y'all talk and eat, because it's hard. It's hard.
It really is.
I don't see how people do it.
Cause I like to get down now, man. Why you eat my wings? I like to get down.
I would have been like halfway through.
She won.
Next question.
Oh, that food.
Let's see. What is the food you hate? Pork chop. Hate it. Oh, and olives.
I hate that. I hate seafood, man. I just can't.
You a hater.
I don't know why.
Hater.
But it just seems so weird. It seems so weird, man, that seafood, like, I don't know, I just can't explain it, man. A lot of people might talk about, like, oh, you don't eat seafood, you don't do it. I don't care for seafood, man.
I know we used to eat, and I used to eat crawfish, and he just be looking at me like,
I used to get sick, man.
I used
to get sick, man. I can't stand no seafood, man.
It's good to me. I love it.
I don't like nothing looking at me. I like everything with their eyes off. You know what I'm saying? She eat them, what they call crawfish.
Yeah, I love crawfish. It'd be so.
I don't want nothing looking back at me.
Let's see. Next question. If you could be a superhero, who would it be?
Off the curve. Aquaman.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like Scarlet Witch.
Who?
Scarlet Witch. You know the girl, she has like, she can do the thing with the mind thing, and then she has a thing with her hands, like she can control people's minds and all that. Next one. How long have we been together? I answer that. Do we want kids? If so, do you want a boy or a girl? Yeah, of course we want kids.
Team boy.
I want a boy too.
Team boy.
But I really don't care. As long as he's a healthy baby.
Team boy.
I want a boy too.
I'm just saying though.
He gonna be just like me.
I ain't got it against girls though, but no. Team boy.
He just want a
Team
boy.
boy.
Cause he be like,
boy.
I can't wait. I want to ride horses with him and all that. This boy love horses. I love horses too,
I love horses, man.
He really do love.
I'm from the south. I'm from the south, man.
So he can't wait. Like he'll be a great dad because he can't wait to do all this stuff, which is so cute because you see like a lot of kids now don't have it, and like he gonna be great. Who is the most stubborn? Kim.
What?
You. You are the most stubborn. I'm a crybaby, but you a
She
stubborn.
probably right. I probably am the most stubborn.
I do stuff because
When
I be feeling like he don't be bothered. He just
When I
be
get
like,
in my mode, like, I really don't care. Might well throw it out the window, man. 'Cause I really don't care. But
it's not a good trait.
you right.
Because it be making me sad. You make me act out. Question. If we could live anywhere, what would it be? Where would it be?
What would it be for real?
I want to don't live somewhere where there ain't a lot of people.
Like a
I don't
country, like a country, like
I don't like the
small city, like.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of what I want to do too. But build a house off in the off like not by yourself, but you know you got neighbors a couple miles and miles away.
Mm-hmm.
But somewhere like they quiet.
Next question: who is the most jealous?
I ain't gonna answer that. I'm jealous, bro.
Why?
Cause I just am.
Okay. Next question: biggest fear? Bugs. Hate them. Hate
Everything.
them. Hate them.
Everything. I can walk in the room and she just be looking.
Don't
She'll
do
be
that.
scared. She's scary.
Next question: where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself 5 years
Gotta make your shirt.
being a successful entrepreneur, man. I see myself on my own business.
I really want to do that too. I don't know what exactly I want to do. I have like some ideas in mind. I know some stuff I always wanted to do, but I'm just stop playing around with it and just go for it. But I see myself like being successful, being a mom. I want a baby in 5 years, about 5 years, for real. And like just enjoying my husband. Doing YouTube, of course, and
Yes.
you know,
video.
being successful as that. Be dropping content for you guys as much as possible. I think we did decide. I think we was like 3
It
times
was
a
going
week.
to be 3 times a week, and we were going to do it on Saturdays,
Yeah,
Mondays,
and Wednesdays.
and Wednesdays. So
Dropping
y'all stay
content.
tuned, man. Y'all subscribe to that channel, man. Hit that like button. Tell your friends, tell a friend, tell
Say
a
your
friend,
friends,
tell a friend, tell a friend.
Another question asks, what can we expect from your channel? So, pranks, challenges. We're going to be doing all type of challenges.
Y'all stick to it. Man, ain't going to be a lot of bangers on this channel.
But y'all stay tuned, enjoy, and we'll be back with another video.